Here is a new trick for making soft and layered Indian flatbread, or paratha or roti. It's very easy and unique. I guarantee you've never seen this before. Stay tuned. We begin by dusting the dough ball with a little flour, and on this cooking recipe today, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to make the perfect paratha or roti with some red chili flakes and some scallion Asian style. We spread our dough into a circle and apply some cooking oil or ghee. This is what makes the layers to form and remain soft. Just spread it evenly using your palm as I am doing. Next, sprinkle some chili flakes and some scallion for that extra flavor boost in our paratha or roti. By the end of this video, you will want to make this for your family. Next, wrap all the flavor inside with the scallion in the middle as I am doing. Wrap both sides evenly so as to keep everything inside. Then, you take your rolling pin and spread your dough thin, spreading it up and down, just like the way I am doing. Next, roll your dough just like I am doing, and keep it tight and thin. Then, place your finger on top of the rolled dough at the center and fold it. Next, take a knife or a pizza cutter and slightly slice the dough down halfway and spread it open. Look at that. Awesome, right? Next, press our beautiful layered dough down and sprinkle some flour on top. Spread it into a perfect circle just like this. The trick is to dust it often with some flour while spreading so that it doesn't stick. Next, on a hot pan or tawa, place your paratha and cook for about a minute until you see some bubbles form on top. Once you see bubbles form, it's time to flip our paratha. Then, apply some cooking oil so that it doesn't dry up and become hard. Ensure you cook the paratha or roti on medium-high heat so that it doesn't become soggy due to low heat or burned and dry due to high heat. I always brush some little oil on the paratha to ensure it remains soft and fluffy. The aroma is so inviting. You have to give this a try. Before we go on, if you enjoy cooking like this, slow, simple, and from the heart, tap like and subscribe to our channel. Your support truly keeps this channel growing. Remember our 30-second flip rule. This helps the paratha or roti cook evenly and stay beautifully soft inside while turning golden and crispy outside. Look at that color. Absolutely perfect. This remains to be the most tastiest paratha in the world. What do you think? Do you agree or disagree? This type of paratha or roti is known for being a quick, nutritious and flavorful meal. Often served for breakfast or brunch with yogurt, pickles, different stews or butter. Give this a try today, I guarantee. You will fall in love with this. Look at those layers. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your paratha, and I'll see you in the next recipe.